Engineering is used to solve lots of the world's problems. It's essential to people's jobs and lives.
That was not a terrible explanation. He's getting better at this.
But it's still a bit of an understatement.
He's right. There's an enormous variety of fields of engineering, with each one more astounding, more amazing than the next.
There's mechanical engineers who work designing and building machines and systems.
And aerospace engineers, who make aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missiles.
And architectural and chemical and biological and civil and electrical and computer.
And many more.
And a lot of engineers have had a lot of impact on the course of human history.
Like Barnes Wallis. He designed airplanes for the British during World War II and came up with a bomb that literally bounced on water, despite the fact that it weighed almost 10,000 pounds.
And Nikola Tesla, who did some really, really cool stuff with electricity.
Remember Neil Armstrong? He was an aeronautical engineer. Turns out that engineering and being an astronaut go hand in hand.
Engineering's pretty cool, but you don't have to design an airplane or land on the moon to use it.
It starts right now, whenever you need to make something to accomplish a goal or solve a problem.
Engineering can be amazing if you give it a try.
So get out there, put 2 and 2 together, and make something.
If you want to learn more about engineering or just STEM in general, check out the links in the description.
Be sure to check out our other videos as they come out.
And as always, thanks for watching.